The thing raggedy, it can go. Your Weekend Gardener here. Got a new batch of LeafPro2024. Just dropped off. It's supposed to be about 3 tons or 3 bucket loads. You can still see the smoke coming off that. That's some good stuff right there. From now on, this is what I use when I do outdoor gardening. This stuff is like magic. I appreciate that. Ooh, Your Weekend Gardener out here. Oh, man. It's the 22nd of March, and I had some LeafPro. I had some LeafPro delivered, and I've been working all afternoon since it's been here. So far, what I've done is I filled up all these pots and 1 garden bed. What I'm going to do later on today is I'm going to order 4 more of these beds, and maybe after that, in about a month, I'll order 2 more. I'm going to, actually, as a matter of fact, I'll show you right now what I'm going to do. Little experiment. Let's take these boys out of here. A little rough with them, but hey. Alright, I'm going to throw these in the leaf mold. No fertilizer. I'm going to see how they look in 2 weeks. Today's the 22nd. See you first week of April.